Use a Phillips screwdriver and trim tool to remove these 6 pop clips. Push the center circle down to release the clip, then remove with the trim tool. Remove the engine bay cover and set aside for reinstallation later. Use a 10mm socket to undo these 6 bolts for the grille support and set aside. Use a pick to undo the connector for the radar sensor. Remove these 2 hidden pop clips behind the grille. Undo the lower 10mm bolt holding in the grille. Use trim tools to remove the chrome headlight pieces. They're held in with clips and release by pulling them away from the front side. Remove the 2 hidden 10mm bolts. In the wheel wells, remove the 10mm bolt and flathead screw clip. Underneath the front edge of the bumper, remove these 10mm bolts. Gently pry the bumper off the vehicle and disconnect the 4 cables for the indicator, parker, fog light and parking sensor on both sides in the process. Separate the grille from the bumper by pressing in on these clips. Remove the 3 10mm bolts holding in the lower grille support plastic. Then remove the air ducts by pulling them away from the vehicle. Remove the plastic crash bar cover, then use a 14mm socket to remove the 4 crash bar bolts and set aside. Remove the 2 10mm bolts and plastic clips holding in the bottom plastic cover.